What up, YouTube? We're working on fixing a Massimo coffee machine. So they're calling because it wasn't heating. And right here is the machine. Drain cycle complete. Turn off machine. So this is the Massimo machine, coffee machine that's not working. So now this is where you pour the water. This is where everything is. So, first installation capsule, please press OK. So they're claiming that it is not hot. So the water's not hot, so we gotta fill this up first. We're gonna fill the reservoir. Add more water in the front. Putting up the heating elements in. This is a Massimo coffee machine. It says it's heating right now, so let's see. Water tank half full. Heating. It doesn't sound like the heating element coming on. It's not heating the coffee. So this is how you get into the system. You open the lid, go on the back, turn off the machine, get into settings, and then you turn the machine with the lid open and a different screen will come up. As you see, you'll see two, then press W and T. W and T at the same time. This should take you to OC menu, service menu. You can go through here with all the menu items. Statistic, drink adjustment, water temperature, it's already preset capsule tray, drain cycle, automatic drink adjuster, statistic. So we're going for 200 Celsius, 90, 200 Fahrenheit. So we're gonna get out of here. And we're gonna drain this so we can see what the problem is. This is the drain cycle. It's really loud. Fully drained the tank. Alright. We're about to open it up. So before you work on any of these stuff, you gotta unplug the power. So you get electrocuted. Plug the power. Then with this one, turn it up upside down, not upside down, but side. I'll show you. Inside, there's screws on here. There's screws here, here. I'll screw all those bigger screws to get into the machine. I'll show you. So these ones right here. Turn it up. Then this, the outlet comes off. This one comes off, but there's a harness plugged here. Then we plug it. And here's the inside. You can see. Here's the inside. This is our heating element right here. Doesn't feel hot, so not sure what the problem is. So check all the power. Nothing else. So this should be really, really hot. So let's check the front. What the issues are. Control board. everything the inside, so let's see what the problem is. I'll trim back in. So the verdict is heating elements broken. Alright, I'll put it back together, tell them that the heating element broken, did it new coffee machine or we just replaced the heating element. Alright, YouTube juice.